In this video, I'll detail how to see recently opened apps on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you've opened some application like calendar, let's say list, and then browser inclusive, then you've opened it, the word clock, then here I'm going to show you how to see recently opened tabs on your Apple Watch. So if I know this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to find recently opened tabs or windows on your Apple Watch, just double press digital crown like this. Then you should see all of them like this. Now to select any of these open tabs, just go ahead and tap it. Again, double tap, then you should see all recently opened tabs on your Apple Watch. However, if you don't want to select it and you can just double tap this, then after a couple of seconds, the Apple Watch will automatically select the tab you open last like this. Then hang on, and the last tab is going to be selected. So that's how you can easily see recently opened tab on Apple Watch. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.